Okay, I'm going in. House of Torment. Should I be scared?
Yes.
We're gonna find out. Ring this doorbell. Okay.
Allow.
Hello? Okay.
What's it gonna do? What's it gonna do?
What are we gonna do? What's gonna happen? I don't want to crap my pants or nothing.
It's loading. The door is loading.
Okay. Okay, it's a faucet. A doorway. Creepy guy. Ooh, he needs a pedicure. I mean a manicure.
Amber! It's her Facebook! Holy crap. Oh my god!
Oh no! He's printing. What's he printing?
What is he printing out?
Oh, look at that snake. Ooh.
Oh my god. You put your picture there with all those people.
Is that what he did?
Yeah.
I'm sexy and I know it.
Ah! He just sniffed you, dude. Oh my god. It's kind of funny the music just started.
Ew! Those are kind of cool looking.
Mm-hmm.
Ew, that's kind of gross.
Ugh.
Ooh, I don't know if I like this man. Ooh, ew. Yikes. Haunted house open in 5 minutes.
Oh my god!
Ew.
Yeah. Ah.
Oh.
I'm scared.
Oh my gosh. Oh my
Find
gosh.
him before he finds you.
Oh my gosh.